I just have this sitting on my kitchen chair, which is where I left it when I came. Brought it in the house. It's super heavy. And it's so beefy and curvy. I love it. But watch, it's not hooked up to anything right now, but just what it can do through the torque from the hand wheel. Hopefully you can see this here. This is just me spinning the hand wheel. Okay. Look at that. Sorry, I have a lot of stitches on this leather, trying to find something that could do this work. There we go. No skip stitches. And this is like 2 ounce leather. This is like 5 ounce, 5 ounce, 2 ounce all together.